Yo, I'm so quiet. I'm being focused right now. So I'm excited to go. This will end building, so I can continue in the front. This is the back of the house. There. Comment, guys, what is the most annoying mobs in Minecraft? Okay. Comments, what is the most annoying mods in Minecraft? Is it slime block? Oh, slime block. Is it like this guy? I think we're done. Okay, I think we're done, guys. So I need to fix this here. This guy here. Oh, not same. Not same. Not same. Not same. It's this. Okay, like that. And here, we need to take these smooth squares and go here and take this smooth squares again. That because we're gonna build it right here. Wait, guys, I am so tired right now and right then. Okay, guys, I need to get it. How I'm gonna do this? Maybe like that. Is it like that? No, it's not the same. Wait, let's try 3 instead of 2. Oh, oh my god, bro. Okay, this is great. Okay, stop day. If you tell me to always day, just I don't like it. It is black. Black here. Oh, wrong one. Yo, a ship again. Oh, she went outside. Okay, very good ship. Not bad ship. What's that noise? There we go. I'm just gonna place. There we go. Let's go, bro. There we go. Make it into scratches. like that. Okay, go here. That. Just gonna change like that. Oh, there we go. That's nice. Put it like this. Nope. Nope. Oops. And me, as I'm new to Minecraft, bro. My build are sucks. To me, it's beautiful. It's a treasure. Other are not. Don't mind them because they're also ugly. They're just gonna build a box house and a lot of window. Bro, it's not even a house. It's a house. Yeah, but bro, you build a mansion. Mansion are have a lot of glass. Yeah, and a big glass like that. What you gonna say? Rich you like? Rich be like that? Yeah. And we're about to get here. So guys, there's a pillar here. I'm gonna fix pillar there. I'm gonna put it water here and see you in the next. So wait, I forget to get brown here. Brown here. Wait. This. Yeah, like that. You can do like that. So just wait guys. So it says 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 about here and this. Okay, it's gonna be like this. So 1 2 3 4 like that. And just gonna put it just like that. So they're just like this. Okay, 1 and 2. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. When 6, put like pillar this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Damn, that's perfect. Okay, so let's build it. I know, I'm just like that. There we go. And that's the last thing I'm gonna build there, and I'm gonna move out here and put water on it. See you in the next day, guys. This video are too long. It's getting long. And no cut. This is the last thing here. Okay, next day I'm just gonna make the I'm tired right now. So this is day 2, part 1. Like, so I'm gonna tell you guys where I'm from. I'm from Philippines, guys. So I'm currently learning English. Or I'm not good at English, guys. But when I take a test in English, I always get